Well, we're off again. Now, going to another new venue called Preston Bullnose. Never fished it before. And I'm only, well, 5 mile away. Don't know why I've never fished it. I don't know. Anyway, I went to have a look at it the other day, just have a butcher. It looks alright. I can only see us catching flatties, I think. Well, I'm going to have a couple of hours. And I'll get back to you. Beat's working. Well, we're off. It's only going to be a couple of hours, I think, this session. I said I've never fished it before, so we'll have a crack. Like, it's nice, easy fishing, I think, off a railing. So hopefully it'll only take us 5-10 minutes. Get 10 minutes there, get there. Got black lug. A couple of wraps of that. So I don't know if you looked at my previous video when we was at Fleetwood last week. I mentioned my reel. My Shimano reel, my favourite reel. Really good reel. It was being a bit stiff when reeling in. Anyway, disaster. I took it apart. Oh, and it weren't good inside. It must have been rotting for years. Well, saying years, a couple of years maybe. So the reel's gone in the reel graveyard, and it's gone to bed for good. But I've got another. I'll show you when I get there. Supplied by Wayne's Tackle in Preston. So just put some braid on it as well. I backed it up with some mono first, some old mono, and then put some braid on it. I prefer braid. I don't know what it is, £60, £80, I think it is. So I fish that right through, don't put a shock leader on that. Hey, excuse me. Hey, what's happening here? So we'll give it a go and I'll get back to you. Enjoy the trip. a new reel. It's a Penn Fierce 8000. Get that. Whoa. Set up, come on. Well, we're here. We're getting set up. Hey, dear me, still noticing this cold, don't know what's wrong. I need some new clothing, so if there's anyone out there that wants to buy me some new clothing, poor decorator, look at that. Smelling like a tramp I am. Right, I'm going to get baited up. Bloody hell, it's still frozen, my bait. Oh, anyway, I've got both rods out. Blowing a hula. I don't know if you can, if the wind noise is having an effect. Let's just get set up. All good fun. There we go. Right. It's not happy there. I'm going to leave it at the back of the van, I think. I don't think the wind's blowing as much. Right. I'm going to leave it there. See what the microphone's like. There's some rolls in here, so that'll be a waiting game, maybe. Close this door. There we go. Let's get bit. Warm it up in my hand. Same again. 2-up flappers, my favourite. Oh. Back to work next week. So there might not be any more fishing for a while. Not going to cast so far out. I might even drop one close in as well. Right. Shut that door. Let's get this one dropped in. Right. That's one. windy, isn't it? Aye.
Decent.
Just started now.
Have you?
Good in.
Ain't been much coming out, you know.
Not a clue. First time I fished it. So give it a go, eh? You never know, do you? Are you local?
Yeah. Just past full boat.
Oh yeah.
Just past there.
You go fishing, are you?
Yeah, I do actually, yeah.
Have you ever fished here?
No.
No.
Yeah, I have actually, yeah.
Yeah.
90.
A bit back then.
95.
Yeah.
95, I think. Round about somewhere else up.
Yeah.
Round about that area, you know. So, got some like decent ones out.
Yeah. Give it a go, don't you?
Yeah, no job.
See what happens.
We're supposed to get the snow on Tuesday.
I believe it's getting colder.
Yeah, it does, Tuesday onwards.
Yeah. I'm back to work next week, so I'll not be doing any fishing for a while. From my last do before getting back to work since Christmas. So ripping in, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, well, you know, I think it's coming in from both ways.
Yeah.
Tickle trout, London Road, that's coming up.
Yeah. Well.
I'm just doing the gill wheel now.
Oh yeah, you doing it? Can you get right round now? Yeah. They're doing a bit of work, aren't they? Up there, aren't they, with that new bypass?
Well,
Still getting through.
What you get there?
Yeah. It's a fair way, isn't it, right round? Is it about 20 odd mile? Yeah. I think I had to do a bit once on mountain bike, just got about halfway through and then I got lost.
Yeah.
I got lost near the sports arena.
Oh, yeah.
I thought, there's no fucking signs like.
Yeah, no, there's
I ended up going somewhere else. Oh, fuck it, I'm lost. So I ended up coming home like.
Yeah, because like, when you on the railway bridge,
Right.
go straight up, zebra crossing, pass all the way around, over Canal Bridge, and then straight through.
Right. I think near Canal Bridge I turned right.
Did you? Yeah.
And I ended up on an estate.
Did you? Yeah.
I fucked out.
Yeah, no.
So we're on electric.
It's not very good.
Yeah.
Signs. Not good at all.
Gets you out though, doesn't it? Bit of
Yeah,
exercise, like.
yeah, of course it does.
Something to do.
Of course it does.
That's strange because the wind's blowing that way.
Yeah,
And then getting pulled out. Getting pulled out, you know. That's quite tight, that.
I'm just wondering if it's coming back then.
It's been coming. will be, eh? If I catch, I catch.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it? Should be.
I'm presuming it's only flatties in here, so I can't see anything decent coming out this time of year.
Flatties, eels.
Eels, maybe, yeah. Yeah, eels will be down there, I bet.
Yeah. The odd grab.
Yeah. Came up here yesterday and just had a walk round, and just there where lock gated, the amount of shit
Oh yeah, just
that's congregated there. Why? The Environment
does.
Agency hasn't sorted that out. That's
No.
fucking. I know it's been about fucking 100 balls.
Yeah.
All sorts.
There's always is down there.
Yeah.
There's loads of crap, especially big logs.
Yeah. There were some big tree logs there. Yeah. No doubt I'll connect with a couple today, like probably underwater that's drifting through.
I'll leave you to it.
Alright, pal. Yeah, cheers. Well, there you go, one of the locals. One of Preston's finest. Is that nice enough, lad? Anyway, I'll get back to you when there's a bit of content. Cheers. Well, we've moved a bit further up. He's blowing a hoolie, so keep plugging away. Give it a go. Well, persevered. He's blowing a hoolie. It's quite cool. We got ourselves a flounder. I want to last. Oh, there's the bank. Anyway, I'll put this back and crack it on. Well, what a miserable couple of hours that were. Wind blowing in your face. The river like the bloody sea. We managed to get the one flounder out. That were hard work, that. Considering it as a river, that was hard bloody work. But I'll come back again when it's flatter. A bit more calm. Wind will just blowing straight through round the river, I should say. Anyway, get back home. Luckily, I'm only 5-10 minutes away, which is great in that respect. But whoa, bloody hell! See you in a bit. Sorry for the little content tonight, but that's the way it goes, isn't it? That's fishing. Bye for now.